Namaste dear friends. In this video, I'm gonna share you how to do Paschimothanasana. Let's do this. Sit comfortably on your mat. Your legs are outstretched. Keep your knees straight, your toes are facing up. Inhale, your both hands up. Exhale, bend forward down from your hip. Hold your toes or your ankles with your both hands. If you can hold your toes with the both hands, slowly bring your abdomen on your thighs and your forehead to the knees and breathe. Stay there for 30 seconds to 1 minute and come to center. And I'll give you a variation. If you have a belly fat, you can separate the feet hip width apart. Then inhale, both hands up. Exhale, forward bend down. And hold the toes over your ankles and breathe. And inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, release. I hope you enjoyed the video. Share with your friends and families. See you with the next video. Namaste.